Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful and aromatic treat in store for you. Homemade basil tea crafted from fresh basil leaves. If you're looking to elevate your tea game, stick around because we're about to show you how to make this delicious and refreshing basil-infused tea. Let's get started. Ingredients. To begin, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. 1. Fresh basil leaves, about 8-10 leaves. 1. Water, 2 cups. 1. Honey or sweetener of your choice, optional. 1. Lemon slices, optional, for extra flavor. Step 1. Gather your basil leaves. The star of our show today is fresh basil leaves. Head to your garden or local market and pick out around 8 to 10 leaves. Make sure they're clean and vibrant in color for the best flavor. Step 2. Prepare the basil leaves. Back in the kitchen, gently wash the basil leaves under cold water to remove any dirt or impurities. Pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Step 3. Boil the water. Now, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a pot or kettle. Step 4. Add the basil leaves. Once the water is boiling, carefully add your washed basil leaves. Let them steep for about 5-7 minutes. This allows the basil's essential oils and flavors to infuse into the water. Step 5. Strain the tea. After steeping, use a fine mesh strainer to separate the basil leaves from the infused water. Your kitchen will be filled with the wonderful aroma of basil. Step 6. Sweeten to taste, optional. If you prefer your tea sweetened, now's the time to add honey or your favorite sweetener to the basil-infused water. Stir until it's fully dissolved. Step 7. Add lemon, optional. For an extra burst of flavor, you can add a few slices of lemon to your basil tea. This adds a tangy and refreshing twist to the herbal notes of basil. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Your homemade basil tea is ready to be enjoyed. Pour the fragrant tea into your favorite cup, take a moment to savor the aroma, and then take a sip. It's a symphony of fresh and invigorating flavors. And there you have it, a simple and flavorful basil tea made from fresh basil leaves. Whether you're looking for a new herbal tea experience or simply want to enjoy the soothing properties of basil, this recipe has got you covered. Thanks for joining us today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious tea recipes. Until next time, steep your way to happiness. Thanks for watching.